What's up guys? Today we're going to be installing our full polycarbonate roof on this Yamaha RMAX 1000. So let's get right to it. So the first thing we're going to do is confirm that our roof fits our machine. We've already done so, so we're going to go ahead and remove our protective film from both sides of our roof. So once we have the protective film removed from both of our roof panels, we're going to want to grab our gasket out of the kit and we're going to lay it on the rear portion of the roof, which is this section here. You'll know it's the rear because you're going to see that there's a hole for a strap on the rearmost side of it. So on this side, have a hole for a strap right there. So you want to make sure that you apply your gasket to the rear portion of the roof. So now that we have the front portion laid over top of the rear portion of the roof, we're going to grab our short M6 hardware with the sealing washer and an Acorn M6 nut. We're going to slide it through just like this. And then what I like to do is just take a dab of blue Loctite, just put a dab on the threads and start the nut on the bottom side. And you'll just want to continue this process for all the hardware, securing the two panels together. So now that we have all of our Acorn nuts tightened to couple both sections of the roof together, we want to go ahead and grab our foam out of our kit. We're going to flip our roof upside down so that the bends are facing up and the nuts are facing up. So what we're going to do is peel the backing off of our foam. We're going to take it in this section here. We're going to lay a piece of foam. Take something to cut with and just cut it off. Then we're going to come to this section here, lay a piece of foam. Into this section here. And we'll want to cut it or tear it before we get to the hole for our strap. So we're going to grab our seal here and we're going to apply it to the front portion of the roof all across this edge here. Once we get to this point here, we'll just go ahead and cut off the excess. So now what we're going to do is grab all the clamps out of our kit. You'll have some hardware started in them. You'll just want to go ahead and remove the hardware and then come to the following sections on the cage to install them. And what I like to do is kind of go ahead and pinch them together. That way it makes it a little bit easier to install the hardware to them. And you want to make sure that you orient them just like this so that the flat is facing up and the hole is facing towards the rear. So now we're going to get all of our long Allen-headed hardware and our large sealing washers. Slide our sealing washer onto our hardware, ensuring that the seal portion is facing away from the head. So now we're going to install the roof to the machine. Now this can be done by yourself. However, it is much easier if you have someone to help you. So now what we're going to do is take our previously removed rubber grommets out of our clamps, and we are going to slide them in between the two openings on the clamp. Once we've done that, we will take our long Allen-headed hardware, slide it through the upper portion of the clamp, through the grommet, and then through the lower portion, and then we will start our nylock nut on the bottom threads. So now we're going to grab one of our heavy-duty SuperATV straps, open it up, slide it through with the Velcro sticking up. And we're going to slide it down like this, apply pressure down onto the roof. And then we'll repeat the same steps to the opposite side. Go through, fully tighten our hardware. And we'll use some soapy water to kind of clean up our roof, and that's all there is to it. So once you went through, fully tightened all your hardware, tightened down your straps, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's roof on this Yamaha RMAX 1000. Be sure to check the description below for a link to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.